are now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer description.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, all around us.
Well, call me nuts, but I reckon that came from up there. But, well, unless the trees backed it down and... Oh, it's cold. Unless the trees made it echo, I don't know. I've never heard a sound like that before. It did have an element of eeriness, isn't it? Yeah. My phone's about to die anyway. I don't want to be out here with no phone. So there it is again, do you hear that?
I really don't like this. I'm done that.
Oh, don't go just yet. Maybe if we just went a bit further up, we might see something.
Shit, what was that?
Fuck knows. Oh, this is it. Maybe it wasn't 2012, it was 2013. Fucking hell. Alright, okay. It's not an animal, is it? Hang on. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Say One History again on the Awaken Show. And I wanted to go ahead and do this one over for you guys because I got a lot of complaints. So I wanted to actually go ahead and do this over again, let you guys hear the actual sound without any music, without any commentary, and just give you the full description of what was going on. So I hope that helped. I hope my ranting didn't upset you guys too much. And like I always say, let me know what you think. You know, let me know if you think this is just an animal, if this is something that happens when you know, vibrations come together, or it's the trees, or it's the forest. Definitely let me know what you think on this one. But with that being said, I am going to let you guys go. Just wanted to go ahead and update this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have some interesting footage of your own, you can actually send that at theawakenshow@gmail.com. With that being said, I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much and have a great day. Take care, you guys.
You are now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer description.